We've had a pretty fantastic trip so far. This is MSX22. This is our 22nd guided trip here that we've done between Virginia, West Virginia, parts of the Trans-America Trail, and all sorts of fun stuff. And you know, we're just having a blast. I brought Catcher with me. Just a fantastic group of people, and looking forward to what's going to happen the rest of the weekend. Best products and best service from people who really care and love what they do. Mountain State Overland is proudly supported by OK 4-Wheel Drive. Excited?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like trying to plot my course through the deep stuff here.
You coming? Little passenger? Straight? Little driver? Very good. All right, you got it from here. Yep. Slight passenger? Straight? Very good. Driver, straight, straight, okay, passenger, a little more passenger, straight, good line. Driver, straighten it out, straighten it out.
Yeah, what was the best part?
All of it.
Were there any butt clenches?
Just his.
teriyaki chicken skewers and rice tonight. Something pretty easy. And this is like basically crack. It's called soy vey. Cut up some chicken thighs and marinate them in that sauce for as long as we can, and then cut up some veggies and then put them on the skewers and cook them over the fire like we always do.
This is just a little extra sauce.
Okay.
Tastes like chicken.
Funny guy, funny guy.
Fun morning here in West Virginia, and it's kind of our day 2, I guess, and having to get creative. This is unfamiliar territory for us, but we're figuring it out and working through some real fun detours and just having a good time along the way. So let's get back at it.
Danny's trying to think of a response.
So you're still dragging diff right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We'll do 4 of them.
Alright, go ahead and back like that. He's hitting this with some speed.
Go, 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 go.
He was spinning here on the left too. Think that'll help?
I think
Get
he's
something
got to
there?
cut this way.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys, to give you an update, we finally got the truck up, but we're going to go for a little bit of a hike here to check out kind of the main obstacle and see what that looks like to see if it's even worth trying to get everybody up here. So just have to hold tight with this for a little bit longer. We tried like hell to get this to come up. We got it up. A little bit of damage on the back bumper. I don't really care. It's a factory bumper. It could snap it together. Zip ties. Next in line was the Gladiator and the Opus. As exciting as it is to see people on 4-wheel drive 24/7, do Gunshot Creek and all these crazy things with this, it's just a lot of dead weight on a stock Rubicon Gladiator, and the hitch is really low. So, maybe a little bit taller tire, maybe a lift. We could have done it, but we're just burying the hitch. So we've got this thing backed out, turned around, good 5-point turn. Actually, pretty impressive work here as a team. I'm gonna drop the Tacoma back down. We're gonna get to camp. It's time to eat. We got Overlander potluck. It was fun to play around, watch people be silly, and have a good time. And I'm ready to drink beer.
How's that?
That was great. It was a success story.
Awesome.
Ready.
What's ready?
The sausage and peppers and onions.
What are we doing?
I think we're about to eat. Other than almost flipping my car over, and Eric gets the overachiever award today for literally hanging off of my bumper to bring the vehicle back down, which is about a 30-degree angle up in the air.
Yeah.
So as I pulled backwards, so
Yeah.
I was squinting somewhere really bad as that was going on. So we got yellow and red peppers, onions, and sausage, and a little bit of olive oil.
Looks amazing.
So this is a very fancy Mexican dish we call tacos.
Tacos?
So we have some nice taco meat, some on all the fixins.
All right, nice. Danny tried to drag his trailer up a hill today.
And I dragged it some of the way up.
Yeah, you did, you did. Tell me what we got.
Yeah, so we got pizza chili here. So you just normal chili, like chili, except you got Italian sausage and pepperoni for the meat, and then on top of the chili spices and stuff, you do, you know, your oregano and basil and marjoram, like a pizza sauce.
Smells great.
So,
Yeah.
And then, so to go with that, you know, your cheese and crackers, or mozzarella cheese, and some fried up pizza crusts.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
The internet taught us
How to fold the perfect chip bag, right? So you just tuck the tails in underneath, right?
Yep, tuck the tails in underneath and it makes
then-
it flat.
Then you fold the lip down to give it kind of some flair, right?
Yeah, total access.
Yep, total access, right? Looks neat, approachable. We've got
Not intimidating.
French onion dip from the gas station, right?
From the gas station.
Right, for the perfect Overlander potluck. No, what else you got in here?
We got the sausage dip.
Oh, looks
So this
yummy.
is just rotel, tomatoes, and hatch green chilies with some cream cheese and then some local sausage from Durham.
Let's eat.
Let's do it.
I'm a little sad that the Gladiator trailer combo was defeated, but then, you know, the exhilarating 18-point turn to get it turned around on that little hill was a lot of fun too. So yeah, just you know, it was good to have people that knew, and we could just trust the ground guides to not drive us off the side of the cliff. It made it very easy just to be able to kind of, you know, do what everybody out there is spotting, and having people out there to help was awesome.
So slow and steady is good, and I'm learning about putting things in 4 high and 4 low and first gear and second gear, and it was awesome.
Have a good one. Thanks again.
Yeah, thank
See
you.
you soon.
Bye.
This trip was different in that it was mostly uncovered territory for Mountain State Overland. So we touched on a couple spots that we did last year, but a road closure last minute forced us to come up with a different route. It all worked out. The guests had a great time, and I think we're gonna do it again.
Yeah, totally. What did you think, Betty?
I loved it.
You loved it? Yeah, what would you do differently next time? More s'mores? More Beyblades?